Hello, my lovely friend. Today I come to you with a new problem. Are you ready to do this one together? Okay, first of all, pause the video and think about it. 3, 2, 1. It's my turn. Let's start. Here says AB is the diameter of a circle with center 1 and negative 1. Point A has coordinates negative 3 and 2. Part A asks find the radius of the circle. So 1 and negative 1, it's my center. I label it O. I am going to find the radius. So the length of radius, which is here. We know to find the length or distance between 2 points, I try to use a distance formula. Distance formula says if I have 2 points, distance formula says the square root of the difference of x to the power of 2, that means xa minus xo to the power of 2, so negative 3 minus 1 to the power of 2 plus the difference of y to the power of 2, that means 2 minus negative 1. Minus negative 1 gives me positive 1 to the power of 2. Negative 3 minus 1 gives me negative 4 to the power of 2. I have 16. It's gonna be 16. And 2 plus 1 to the power of 2, which is 9. So I have a square root of 25, which is 5. Anyway, the radius would be 2, is the distance between these 2 points. I will go for part B. Part B says, find the equation of the tangent at A. For tangent at A, we know from the center of circle, to the tangent, they meet each other at the 90 degree. So the tangent is a perpendicular line to radius or the line AO. If I find the gradient of AO, I can find the gradient of tangent. Okay, I will go to find the gradient of AO. We know the gradient or slope equals the step of y over a step of x. So I write gradient of AO equals a step of y. What's the step of y? Is 2 minus negative 1, which is 3. Okay, over a step of x. Negative 3 minus 1, which is negative 4. So negative 3 over 4. So what's the gradient of a perpendicular line? Is a negative reciprocal. Okay, negative reciprocal. That means I have to change the sign and flip the gradient of the line. So gradient of the tangent, I write it equals negative of, I flip the number 4 over 3. Negative 4 thirds. Negative gives me positive, which is 4 thirds. Okay, I have gradient and the point of the line, so I can write the equation of line. I can say y minus, what's the point? Point is A minus y A, which is 2, equals 4 thirds of x minus what's x of a is negative 3. So negative negative gives me positive. So I have y equals 4/3 of x. 4/3 times 3. If I distribute this 4/3, I have 4/3 x plus 4/3 times 3 gives me 4. I bring this negative 2 here, which is 6. So y equals 4/3 x plus 6 is the equation of the tangent. I will go for part C, says find the coordinates of B. O is the center of this circle, and we know the center always is the middle of the way A, B. So the coordinate of the midpoint equals, if I say O is 1 and -1 equals is a midpoint of AB equals XA, which is -3 plus XB divided by 2. And for Y, I say YA, which is 2 plus YB divided by 2. -3 plus xb equals 1. So -3 plus xb divided by 2 equals 1. I try to use cross multiplication, so I will have xb equals 2 times 1 gives me 2. I bring -3 to the right side, which is 5. So it's going to be 5 xb. I will go for y. 2 plus yb divided by 2 equals -1. So yb 2 times -1 gives me -2. I bring this 2 to the right side. Yb equals -4. So the coordinate of point B would be 5 and -4. So I will write B is 5 and -4. That's great. Now we go to find the equation of the tangent at B. I find already, I find the gradient of AB because AB is exactly parallel to AO, or I have to say they have an overlap, okay? The same line, you know, the line passed through B as well. OA passed through B. So I have a gradient of it. So the tangent at B is perpendicular to this line. So exactly GT here would be same for third. I have the gradient of a line and a point of this line, which is 5 and -4. So I can write the equation of this line. So I say y minus, what's y here? -4 equals for third x minus 5. Distribute this 4/3 inside parentheses. So I have y equals 4/3 x. Okay. So if I get multiplied, which is negative 23rd. I bring this positive 4 to the right side, would be negative 4, and take a common denominator, would be negative 12. So it was 4/3 x. Okay, I will write it again here. So y equals 4/3 x minus 20 minus 12 divided by 3. So y equals 4/3 x minus 32 divided by 3. It's my final answer. We are done here. I hope you really enjoy. If you enjoy, subscribe, share with your friends, and stay tuned. I will see you in the next new problem. Bye bye for now.